friends, thank you so much for coming back to another video. We are going to be opening Woolworths and Big W Mystery Bricks Home Edition. So let's get straight to it. I hope there's no double ups. We did have our first double up in our last video, so let's hope we get some fresh ones today. Rip, empty the bag out. Oh, there's a little bit stuck in there. And look, it's a brand new one that we've not had before, and it's bread. All right, that is awesome sauce. Let's get into making it. Yay! Okay, so for bread, what we need to do is we need to put this pink one on top of this one. This way, right? And then we put another brown bit on this one. Oh, it's hard. Oh, there we go. And now it says, it looks like, oh, and these are 2 loaves of bread. Oh my goodness. How cute is that? I've got to zoom in on that. Look how cute these are. These are 2 loaves of bread. Stunning. Now, look at this. We've got a sticker here, and it's the Wonder White bread. Yep, and it's pink. It's got a beautiful pink colour. So we peeled the sticker off, and it looks like we put the sticker around this square bit here. So let's start it here, and we get it on as straight as possible, and then we just wrap it around. That is super duper. Oh my goodness, I've got to let you guys have a close-up. How stunning and cute is that? It's a loaf of Wonder Bread. I love that, and we put that next to these 2 other loaves of bread. Oh, isn't that amazing? Oh, I think that's fantastic. Yeah. Shall we put it with our other collection? We're getting quite the collection of little items here. Now look, I do have another packet. Should I open it now? Yeah, why not? Let's open it. This one feels big. Oh, I just ripped it a bit. Oh, what is it? Oh, it's a green thing. Oh, I know what this is. Can you all guess what this is? We've had this before. This is another double up. Let's open it. Yeah, it's the recycle bin, an outside bin. Yeah, oops, we've had this one before. Let's put it together, shall we? This one is you get 1 green brick and the other green brick, and you pop them on top of each other like so. And then we get this yellow lid, and we put the grey bit just there, click. And then we put that, did I do it right? No, that on there. And we've got a bin. Oh, that's a recycle bin. Our bins for recycle are yellow. Now, what we need to do is we get the stickers. Bring you in nice and close for the stickers. We take this off. This is our recycling symbol here, and what we're going to do is we're going to put it on the lid of our recycle bin. Look at that. Isn't that special? And then what we do is we've got a picture of cricket stumps here, cricket bat and cricket ball, and we will peel that off like so, and we put it on our bin right there. Right there. And look at that. Amazing. Wowzers. That is so great. Whoops. Slippery too. We put that with our other things. And look what I've got. I've got another packet, but I'm not going to open it in this video. I'm going to open it in the next one. So what I need you to do is press the like button for this video, press the subscribe button and don't forget to hit the notifications bell because that's going to let you know when I post a new video. I'll see you in the next one.